Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we are going to convert text to PDF. In this video, those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to install the FPDF. Let's go with the documentation also. We have FPDF. So here you can see, let's install Python. So here we have FPDF. Okay, so here you can see how to install this one, that is pip install FPDF. So go to the terminal and let's install this. Okay, so it is installed, right? And we have this documentation. Okay, so it's internal error and anything GitHub. Yeah, they have GitHub. Read the docs, but the docs is available. Yes, it is available. Okay, so here we have the main features installation. This is done. Okay, tutorial. Yeah, here you can see we have to go with FPDF, add page, set font, cell, and this. Okay, so same thing we are doing. Here you can see, let's copy paste this code into our Python script. So let's comment this. Let's add it over here. So same thing that we are doing here, we have the lines that I want to print or add into our PDF. Okay, the same thing. Okay, so here you can see that the PDF add page. Okay, so the add page, you can set the font. Okay, set the font, and here we have the lines that I want to add. Okay, and here you can see that the PDF cell which in which you want to add the text. So PDF dot cell hello world, here they are writing, and here I'm going to add the, I'm looping this one and add all this into text equal to line, and ln slash equal to true means break line should be there. Okay, and then output should be this one. Then we have to output like this, wherever we want to store we can store. Okay, so very simple, very easy. Let's run this Python app.py, and it says that the no such directory hr docs or something, so I'm not going to go with our folder. We will just go with our leaves. Okay, I'm just doing like this, output would be like this. Okay, and it is generated. If I go leave policy PDF, and here you can see that, let me open here, control L, var www.html python, and here we have the leave policy PDF, and here you can see it is whatever we have write, it's come over there. Here you can see, and whatever the text we have write here, you can see that. Okay, so these are all the text are coming over here, correct? So this is how from the text to PDF you can use this FPDF. Okay, any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.